Well, here's a final look of the Toro recycler. I finally got a chance to give it a bath here and get the oil changed, clean the air filter out. We've had nothing but rain here the last couple of weeks. Cleans up pretty good. Still got the holes in the deck, nothing I can do about those. But for a 20-year-old mower, this looks pretty darn good. I'm not even going to look at the self-propel problem. Just going to see if we can sell this pretty cheap as is. Going to do a last start on here. Got a hole here. And I saw some others. Oh yes. Kind of a shame. And, well, that's just paint chipping there. Good old Quantum Briggs & Stratton engine. I believe it's a 5 horsepower. And sharpened the blade and cleaned it off under here. It's in pretty darn good shape. So let's give it a last start here. Should start much easier now. Alrighty, here we go. Don't know if we need to try the choke here. See if it starts up better than it did the first time I tried it. Ah, so much thick grass under here.